Hello friends, welcome to Technical Huda. So friends, as we study in last video, we have connected to the database and we have coded the login button. So now we have to code the register button using PHP. So let's move on to the project. Okay. Register. Here we will require to copy this database connectivity file. Copy. Paste it here. Now section. Okay. Now, what are the things you have to register? Username, password, and an image. Okay. So let's do PHP coding. PHP. Okay. If is set $_ post. If is set means if anyone click on this register button. Okay. Underscore post. What is the name of register button? Register. Okay. GISTR. Register. Okay. $ username equals to $_ post. So now here user, what name we have given here? Username. Okay. Username $ password equals to $_ post. Password. Okay. Now $_ img is equals to $_ fi file. This is a file type. Okay. Files. Okay. What is the name? Image img1. Okay. And now just give it a temporary name. As name. Okay. $_ temp underscore name is equals to $_ I $f underscore file img1. Here whatever images we are storing in the database is stored into a particular folder. Okay. tmp underscore name. Okay. Yep. Now what is the file path? $ file path equals to admin / $img. Okay. $img move upload file loaded file to dollar m underscore name comma dollar file path. Okay. Now here we will start a query to insert into admin here we will write username comma password comma image. What the name we have given in database? Your columns username password img. Okay, img. Okay, now values here will give dollar username comma dollar password comma dollar img. Okay, just take it in a single inverted quotes. Okay, there's a query dollar run query 2. Okay, mysqli underscore query our query database variable dollar $con dollar query our query 2. Okay, here we have done with the part. If when we get registered, it will give a pop-up message that we have registered. Okay, run query 2. Okay, just put it here dollar run. Okay, run. Okay, when this query gets run, we will get a message echo script 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 alert cc count has been registered. Okay, save it and let's open the register page. Let's give it any name, ditto password 3. First of all, wait a second, create one folder in www front and back end. What code you have written it, where you are doing it, admin, you are putting that image in admin. Just create new folder admin, just yeah. Now put any image. I'm going to put this. Okay, let's click on register. Yeah, the account has been registered. Okay, now let's see the database. Here is only one entry, that is my admin 123, this image. Okay, Let's refresh it. So you can see that the new entry has arrived in this database automatically. So this is the register page. So friends, thank you for watching the part 3 video of front-end back-end project. If you like, please like and comment on this project. Please do subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon. Thank you.